By the time most companies realize they picked the wrong HubSpot partner, they're already deep into fixing it. The team's frustrated, the portal's live, and the project that was supposed to simplify things has now become a project in of itself. So here's the thing. Choosing a HubSpot partner is not just choosing another vendor. You're choosing who's going to shape your most important go-to-market tool for the next few years. Get it wrong and it costs more to fix than it would have cost to do it right the first time around. So we put together 17 specific questions that you need to think about, consider, and ask the HubSpot partners you're vending before you sign anything with anyone. Not just us, anyone. Now, I'm not going to read all 17 of them. That's what the download is for. Instead, I'm gonna group them into 6 different categories so you can get as close to an idea of what the full picture looks like in just a few minutes here. First category, do they understand your business? And or do they have a process to get a really good understanding of your business and your unique processes? If they skip straight to that onboarding paperwork and they don't ask you anything about how your deals progress through the pipeline, what success looks like to you in the next 6 months, that's a red flag. A couple other things that fall in this bucket. Do they actually give you opinionated recommendations and push back when their instinct says something is wrong? The last thing you want is just an order taker who gives you everything you need. You want a real problem solver. And have they actually worked with companies your size or in your industry before? Second, is their track record verifiable? Do they provide adequate customer reviews on a third-party hosted platform like the HubSpot Partner Directory that you can take a look at to see what their clients are saying about working with them? Not just case studies on the agency's own website. Those are perfectly curated by them. I'm talking about a third-party tool hosted and vetted by HubSpot to see what people are saying about working with them. That way, things can't be cherry-picked. And can they show real-life examples of their work? Do they demonstrate expertise publicly and through the content that they produce? Do they produce any content at all? Number 3, do they have a real methodology? Do they have a process or iterative approach to make sure that you see results within the first 30 days? The last thing you want is a project running for months with nothing actually tangible until the very end. Because when that happens, by the time everything is built, it's too expensive to go back and correct. This bucket also covers whether they follow a proven framework and if HubSpot is actually their main focus and not just another tool in their tech stack or another thing that they claim that they can do. Number 4, will you always know who to contact? This is the one people resonate with the most. Do they provide a clear, single point of contact that is your dedicated HubSpot expert? A lot of agencies hand you an account manager who you meet with face to face, but the actual work gets handed off to someone else, a freelancer, an offshore team. It's rarely ever, sometimes actually on their team. And it's always someone who's never been fully briefed. It's like a game of telephone where things get lost. When this happens, you end up repeating yourself constantly. Scopes aren't delivered as they're supposed to be initially. There's a lot more revisions, which eats away a lot more of your budget. Some don't even have that account manager main point of contact. You're simply just opening tickets, and the first person available to see it is the person doing the work, and they're not caught up to speed on your industry, your business, any previous work done. They're digging through documentation. They're pinging employees who might be off. And this is the one that people come to me the most and saying that this is the kind of experience causing them the most headaches. 5, are they proactive or reactive? Do they provide proactive recommendations instead of just waiting for you to tell them what to do? HubSpot ships more than 30 meaningful updates every month. It was 99 last April and 200 last September. A partner who isn't tracking them isn't doing their job. Ask how they stay current because we just catch things when you bring it up to us is not a process. This bucket also uncovers a little bit of flexibility on your partner's end because as new things come out and things need to be changed, are they going to be flexible to actually deliver that to you? Make sure services can adapt when your priorities shift without a full renegotiation of your contract or deliverables. And number 6, is pricing transparent? Partners who are confident in what they offer publish their pricing on their websites. Now here's the actual checklist, all 17 questions laid out so you can score us or anyone else you're considering and compare them side by side. Bring this to your next call with a HubSpot partner and ask them these questions. You can even show it to them live. It's free, it's not gated, you don't even need to talk to us to use it, And you can add your own custom criteria if there's more than these 17 questions that you want to ask. The link is below, down in the description, and ready for you to use it in your next conversation vetting a HubSpot partner.